Nande nigo jaragire Chinsa Isano no Ibere chiringo kware ne asemesa ya mangana Amayia elito mayana aliali agendete gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii kuboli kwa na ikaranso ikyo serali bagari oli abene pramana ali agendete gwateka usenali ali atekire asiri tukeri ya Jumamosi gitarike 22 mutinyo gatano na kabero mwaka w'irubere ne 23 karonse meretuna ni agendete gutwara weekendi ya wentereru andonsi soberego kabamo nenche omayana ali atekire kuruirianyi moja sugusu amo nabosongo na manga agendete gukwanwa hasense ya Kenya nene litukurigoro ekero abanyanyimbo bakagiri goika aze enka y'omwana woyo kabeiro murai bwense ya Kenya urumwe Kenyatta asebono abarai bagendete komo chege koru ekyo sebatheru ne serikali bono yetaniri korengana no murai bwense omukoro na era nigamo chetege koru ekiritukurigoro ekeratete buna yaya buna bamutagete tigabamorigi korende batigane ni amate yaye gose family yaye y'umurai y'umukoro bwense ya Kenya gati bali bamochirie koru ekyo no murai w'ikiama gya Kenya matakarua yora somo bwasimyoro moja mo no murai w'ikiama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka abono bamochirie egekoru ya serikali anekere otebakuna na batumeta abanyanyimbo asogokore eleid ase inyumba y'omwana okabeire bwo murai bwense murai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta yungati yali agendete korekana ime na isiko ya Gusii ekero murai bwense akageire gotarira ensemo ya Gusii nene ekero chikwenda asensemeri ya South Mogilango asogoja kemeroberi ya magenderio kurenda seboniga murai bwense dokutagwira mruzo na murai bande nigo barase county ya Figa seboigo emeroberio ya magendero asensemeyo amayegocha sorgongo rwa Gusii buna erobereria yungati yali agendete korekana ime na isiko ya Gusii ngokobolyo benenche goikomwelyo katukubatira na bugari nyanja mane kuna gochira senjariru ya mone jiwicha eliane Brighton Makori. Aya Chinsa jigabano tigatunya jake korwa se county eri ya Nyamira ase skiru ya nyaikuru ase ekiombe kimaikatana Kisii ja foundation ge kubaterana anabari basomete skiru iyo amo nabasani ni gobono baruro bokonyi go jase skiru ya nyaikuru asabana bari batali kubatabwati bitoki bisaide kaokwana asenze meyono badi maranga oyore managing director bwekiombe kyo ya Kisii ja asumwarimu monene weskuru yo chop nyanga anyarire ka wakambu yamano asoboko nyobu boiga sarure segeto okyasibali babwatomo yobo konya kwene kiminango konya bale jiskuru aneskuru ya Nyikuru yera se county ya Nyamira.
The CEO Krokodil Kisii the sergeant in the US
tari 20 story buna chi alumni abande story buna abamo ba Kisii Foundation.
So today we came for the phase 1. We'll support 10 students with the parcel of 5,000 and then we'll support one student with crutches.
Wamesaidia wanafunzi wengi, hata si mimi peke yangu hapa shuleni. Wanasupport watu wengi sana na ningeomba tu azidi kuwasupport wanafunzi wengine pia wenye hawajiwezi kama sisi.
We continue receiving from you. I know you're going to get much blessings and in fact, we want to request other organizations, other foundations, other alumni who have who can group themselves and form a foundation like this one to come and assist the boys and girls who are down in terms of fees.
Ekerobo no enzi ya Kenya gendere gotwaro gosukwano konene nigobona abagwakiri banyari bagwe soke na komoche serikali anekero ya rekandibuna nigo bachakire komiga abagwakiri bali bakwegerera abarai gosi bali bakwegerera abakenya anekero korubekana kogenderete since ya Kenya kaokwana muwakiri Danson Omari nigo bona tebruna ichikondiyo ligotanga muwakiri kwegerera ondebwensi since ya Kenya seboga bolire chinyomba joburali gosabarali gosikwa na gotuwa kwego bosibole boisaini na gukora imirimo yabo bunero bereirie osebunere enganaro yabaliki okora imirimo yabo bunetakeira sense ya Kenya.
Hakuna sheria itakayozuia wakili kuelezea ulimwengu yaliyojiri kotini. Ni njia ambayo hatujaiona, ni njia ambayo kesho itakuwa kwamba tukisimama kizimbani tutazuiliwa tusiongee ama vyombo vya habari visiweze kueleza yale yanayojiri. Ni mshtuko mkubwa kwamba haya yanafanyika. Tumeyaona pale Nairobi ambapo vyombo vya habari, wanahabari wamepigwa, wamefukuzwa. Tumeona leo hapa afisa wa polisi amekuja eti kutuambia eti sisi hatutaongea. Kwa hivyo tumeongea na tumesema kwamba hiyo ni haki ambayo hatuwezi achilia kama mawakili wa wale ambao wameshtakiwa.
Asense mende abagwakiri boigoni go bamochirie serikali asowe sonana asobosubule bwabaliki bamangana ase ense ya Kenya. Nene baukwana bulit kuri waro gati yaba wakiri abone wadena nigero bosoku sana ekeraba wa akero abaliki bamangana bakumiwa aso kole mirimo yabo erietagete abakenya bamanye ningi kigenderera nene kero yarokanete abaliki bamangana bari gusugumwa ekero bari korogereria ali agenderete kero ba ekero umubunge w'Embakasi East babo inonyarite kawikiwa asekambero egarokanete n'abaliki nigo basugumetu nande mbatakire banyare bakurigire na ali agenderete kurende nigo wakiri besokina watena yaya mangana itatakiri kwenekiwa asense ya Kenya.
It has reached a point where, and this is very sad for the media fraternity, we are seeing police officers, well known, coming to court and being allowed access, wearing press jackets. And there is an accreditation for press people. So how do they gain access to the courts when they are pretending to be press people? There's already a very serious issue in terms of the administration of justice here. And these are the things that we are saying. It is high time that even the magistrates court need to know that they have the power to ensure, and they are bound by Article 3, to ensure that the rights of everyone, including even yourselves, the press people, are observed. Police officers are even removing press people the way they want, and they pretend to be the press people. It is not right. You cannot be stopped from accessing the registry, and the court has said clearly here that let this cash bail and bond process be done. Because some of these people are very sick, are actually ailing based on even the grave beatings that they have received. And it's not only the second accused person. Actually, all the accused persons were actually beaten. It's only that for the second accused person, it may be more visible. So this is a point where I'm saying, people are saying President Moi was a dictator. He must be turning on his grave, wondering that we have a reincarnation of even a worse regime at this particular point. But we said yesterday, we say it now. Our role as advocates will remain. We'd rather die, we'd rather be jailed. We will stand here. Whoever wants to remove us, let them come.
Ekero chiriboti chanyate chikubato kaburit kurigoro buno murai we kiama kya weiba karonso musiokani gokonya atangire na banyanyimbo anena sumundu kanyomere mayete na house alliance boigona sewe ikabono murai bo mobwasirio basmiro moja wani Kenya Raila Odinga atarasoka teneni amanyekane ngayare kolendene niga tweet na odabuna niga gwateri kubali nene nigobono gatia barai bo mobwasimiro moja ni Kenya bakura no muri komone wikiama gya Jubilee anyaride kajeremia kioni anyaride kaodena nonya yons kagendete go korekana nonyene serikali kagendete go suguma mono balibo wasimiro moja ini yekwene kegose kworokeribuna na barabo buno mo wasimiro moja bakorire ayara manene asokurubekana eyairire serikali gosuguma abali barasoma wasimiro moja.
Continued arrests that you are seeing happening across the country is a clear indication that demonstrations have been effective and they are still going on. If they are not hunting us down, it will mean that we have not been effective. So it is good to thank Kenyans because they heeded to a peaceful way of demonstrating. You remember when we called for this last week, we clearly said that do it your way, resist in your style, and demonstrating, not just coming out and running after one another. So this is one of the things that have succeeded, and we're happy about it. And as our leader within, and it's also, of course, useful to ask those in authority to allow people to have their freedoms. Curtailing people's freedom is not useful, it's not in our constitution. And it's amazing how quickly we can lose all the gains that we got through our 2010 constitution. But Kenyans need to know that they are the source of power in this country. They are the ones who are seized of the sovereign power, and they have demonstrated it in the last 3 days. And we ask them to know, and to know that we cannot allow management of our affairs just like that. And again, like we have said, I think it's also good to say as leaders that we still continue saying pole to those who lost their loved ones, because again, yesterday, the day before, there were those who were shot. We still have quite a number of people in hospital. Pia tunawatakia wapone kwa haraka. But as a country, it is a sad thing to go through that kind of a thing at this time.
Akarbono togendete goro yingane yokurobekana since ya Kenya ni gomobungo kiarundidi nyoro nerateruna barabuna obomo bwa Kenya kwanza tibao chuwanjirana okurobekana kogendera since ya Kenya nene as county ya Nairobi asinera tena bono nigo ya ikomwe bwo kurobekana ikiarobekana ukoni wa trubaniri ebinte binge asensi.
Hawa watu wa maandamano ni tuliwaambia ya kwamba Kagare, Murang'a, sisi ni watoto ya Maumau. Na tunatangaza hapa, na mimi nataka niseme rais akiwa hapa. Ile maandamano walifanya last week kule Nairobi, siku ya Wednesday. That is the last maandamano they are going to do in the Republic of Kenya. Na already wameona. Unajua wameanza kusema sijui nini, ati sijui nini, sijui kitu gani. Tunataka tuseme tukiwa Kagare, Murang'a, there will be no more violence. There will be no more political thuggery. There will be no more blackmail. We have the president of Kenya, and we elected him on the ballot. And there is only one route into route in Kenya, na hiyo ni route ya ballot. Na rais wetu amekalia kiti. Kwa wale wanaregarega, kama lazima waandamane, mtu anatoka hapo kwake, anarukaruka, anarudi kwa nyumba.
Kubatikana no roboti rori rwabwatugitwe ni kiombe gia Kenya Manufacturers Association bunense ya Kenya ni yotuguta enibe nyinge asegenjo yokorobekana nigo bono mo Senator bwe county ya Kirinyaga Kamau Muronga anyarega komoja bari bagosegeta okorobekana ugokoire nibe nyinge gosira
kwamba kulingana na wenye viwanda ambao wanafanya ambao wanatengeneza vitu wametoa taarifa kusema ya kwamba nchi ya Kenya inapoteza takriban bilioni 2.8 kwa siku kwa sababu ya migomo ambayo haina sababu. Waswahili husema vimumunya huharibika uzeeni. Na ningetaka niseme ya kwamba wakati pesa kama ile inaharibika, ningetaka kuuliza viongozi wa Azimio, wale wambunge wa Azimio, senators wa Azimio ambao wanatumika kuongoza hii migomo, wao wanataka maendeleo katika sehemu zilizotoka. Na kuna mahali tumefika tunasema ya kwamba hatufai kulipa gharama, hatuwezi kuwa tunalipa fidia ya gharama ya maisha. Na kwa sababu hatuwezi kuwa tunachelewesha maendeleo sehemu zote za Kenya kwa sababu ya watu ambao wanaharibu nchi hii. Ningeuliza rais wetu William Samoei Ruto wakiwa na naibu yake Rigathi Gachagua ya kwamba sisi ambao hatufanyi migomo, pesa za serikali zinapogawa, kwanza tuwe sisi ndo tunapewa kasi tuendelee na maendeleo. Kuna haja gani ya kwenda kutengeneza lami ya pesa mingi alafu ikuje ichomwe yarimbiwe? Huku sisi tuharibu lami tunazihitaji. Tupewe nafasi ya kwanza katika kupewa pesa zile kwa sababu hizi hatuna migomo, bado tunaendelea na ujenzi wa taifa. Hatuwezi kuwa sisi ndo tunafanya kazi wengine wanangojea wakule. Na nimalizie kabisa niseme, sisi hatutalimia watu wakiwa kwa maandamano ndio tuwauzie rais. Tunakataa. Hata hiyo kahawa tunalima tuuze pesa mingi. Ndizi zetu tutauza pesa mingi. Mchere yetu tutauza pesa mingi, majani chai tutauza pesa mingi. Ili na wao wafanye kazi kama sisi, wasiende kwa maandamano, watoe kitu ambao sisi tukinunuliwa kahawa yetu pesa mingi, tuweze kununua pesa yao pesa mingi.
Kubatikana bono no kurobekana okugoenderete ase gusukwa rekana since ya Kenya. Abanyanyimbo nigo babeire bakomochwa buna nigo batumeka chinkuru wetania kerengo asiba tumigete amasasi amo nechinungu go sunyunta ba Kenya bali bari kurobekana kurende somo senata bwe county ya Kericho Aaron Cheriot ni ganyarire kawe sokya na kwegerera abanyanyimba bona gatyana barabo ni go batigeretu chingo machi nyinge asana barabata keri komachuwa mono ikiana barabo ni go barenge wetoria korwa sabantu konyora babasangereri.
I agree with what the leader of the majority in the National Assembly has said about the need for you to be firm so that we can have sanity in our country. We cannot have a country, Your Excellency, where people fear to walk freely and go about their business. I want to request even our colleagues in the media to bear with our police officers, because I watched the news yesterday and I see the kind of criticism that is being leveled on our police officers without realizing the difficult work that they have to do. Some of them are facing hardcore criminals that are coming to them with machete, stones, and they are throwing them at our police officers. In fact, I want to challenge you as a media. The same way you are showing people that have been hurt on the demonstration, please visit Mbagathi Hospital and see the number of police officers that are lying in beds. Some of them have been cut, some of them have been shot at by criminals, some of them have gone through very difficult. Police officers are people's children as well. So as they do their work, let us give them the support that they need.
Barai akorwa sorongorwa Gusii go ba mutaleire Bishop we kanisa yiki Katoliki ase diocese ya Kisii Bishop Joseph Mairura asiba mokba koretaro yabo asense Mary ya St Vincent asemambi yaboniga bakorawa no muwasiri wegisemese kirmachogo nigo ba mutaleire abo ekroba kwanire amangana ao anene kroba terina kense go sorongorwa Gusii otakere gosuka go jibese turanyora na kyomo bunge bwe ya nyaribari charge sairi chanda anyaraka okwana butuma konyore nkwana yumuwasiri wegisemese kirmachogo akibakwana kroba koretaro yabo go kyasensemo ya St Vincent kana gotebuna nigo ba mutarira Bishop Joseph Mairura.
Yangu tu ni kusema asante sana waziri kwa kutuleta hapa siku ya leo. Mimi kama mbunge wa area hii mahali tuko, yangu ni kuwatakia mema, na Bishop, your Lordship Bishop, I want you to pray for us as a county and as a country, because this Kisii is for all of us. And when it burns, we all burn. So we have to agree that we have to go back to prayers so that we can all come together so that we can forge forward. Lastly, waziri, we have no problem. Nimesikia ukisema ndugu zetu kutoka Nyamira kuna hiyo pesa ya Kuwait Fund which is 1.8 billion, and because sisi watu wa Kisii na Nyamira ni watu wa moja, hiyo pesa ingekatwa nusu.
Wike ndoko na Bishop yagara machowali mutamanyeti tindu kuoga mono ngotakana egashiyane agenda buyayiga etogwatekerere kenge na tumokorora kiagara chibasha kirinko ba eketindageti my member and committee nona wane korore karuba kubuli ne bache nga irenga bulmate bitingi manye ti Bishop ndote abani ali ngati school cheto kaba ishino abaito to kubwatana na bakonya ne kia CDF uru ministry ali nimba bwateshi ngakientu akonya nkenke echo ishigana mwata 30 million na nyanshinga shinare ngono mambia 10 million Tombe Nyambaria Kereri 25 million.
Bueno, na mangana yumuwasiri wegisemese kirmachogo karwanya arabago tara Bishop narago to kyomero mangana ito ye Chinsa sonabere kagerde na nachigo kwano mange ekarbara enda sensemo ya South Mugrango eriko mwariga ni murai bwense Dr. William Ruto oyorobeti gotarira ensemeyo eriko igora amagendero ao asensemeyo ya South Mugrango na Sorongo Rwagusiti angorera abungo gosabonyara ko gotwara weekendi erengia etabwati birukunyo binde byonsi nyasaye gakungangira na yagwanjire ni otromene litskera Jumatatu asomoroberio bwensakya gotwara buriro bya imeyandi Steven Rwansuma Gusii abigani nyanjamana era nekuna mali ugine chibi cyago chira senjira ya bene angela nyarata go cha sore Brighton Makori.
Gusii TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.